Let's talk about digital money. Two popular types are TRC20 USDT and Bitcoin. Think of them like different currencies. USDT is like digital dollars. It's stable, meaning its value usually stays close to $1. Bitcoin is different. It's like digital gold. Its value can change a lot. TRC20 is just a fancy way of saying how this USDT moves. It uses the Tron network, which is like a highway for digital money. This makes transactions fast and cheap. Bitcoin has its own network, which is like a slower, more secure highway. People convert TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin for various reasons. Maybe they want to invest in Bitcoin hoping its value will go up, or they want to use Bitcoin for its privacy features. Whatever the reason, converting between these digital currencies is a key skill. In the following sections, we'll learn how to do this safely and securely. Imagine a digital safe where you keep your TRC20 USDT. To open this safe, you need two keys: your address and your recovery phrase. Your address is like your account number. It's a long string of letters and numbers. You can share this address with others to receive TRC20 USDT. Your recovery phrase is like your master key. It's a series of words that gives you complete control over your digital safe. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Losing your recovery phrase is like losing the key to your safe. You won't be able to access your TRC20 USDT, so it's crucial to store your recovery phrase securely offline. Write it down on paper and keep it in a safe place. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Keep your keys safe, and you'll keep your digital money safe. Now let's talk about accessing your TRC20 USDT. You'll need a crypto wallet, a digital tool that holds your digital money. Many wallets support TRC20 USDT. Look for reputable options with strong security features. Some popular choices include Trust Wallet and Exodus. Once you've chosen a wallet, you'll need to set it up. This usually involves creating a new wallet or importing an existing one using your recovery phrase. When you import your wallet using your recovery phrase, your TRC20 USDT will appear in your wallet. Now you're ready to take the next step: converting your TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. Choosing the right crypto wallet is crucial for managing your TRC20 USDT and Bitcoin. Look for wallets that prioritize security and support both currencies. Hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger offer the highest level of security by storing your keys offline. Next, you'll need a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. This is like a digital marketplace where you can trade TRC20 USDT for Bitcoin. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Once you've chosen an exchange and created an account, you'll need to deposit your TRC20 USDT. The exchange will provide you with a TRC20 USDT address. Copy this address and paste it into the Send section of your wallet. Finally, place an order to sell your TRC20 USDT and buy Bitcoin. The exchange will handle the conversion, and your Bitcoin will arrive in your exchange account. From there, you can withdraw it to your secure crypto wallet.